Slayton is going to go ahead and tell us a little about his personal experience, a little bit about the company history, how they've been in business for so long, and you could obviously the high quality and keen detail on all these boats. They are sharp, they are beautiful, and they last for a long time. We're an American-made system, keeping that boating experience nice, fresh, and clean. Josh?
Yeah, thanks, Alfred. Appreciate the opportunity. Yeah, Scout is a family-run business. It was founded in 1989 by Steve Potts, and from then until now is still owned and operated by the Potts family. Whether you're talking about Steve Potts, his son, his two daughters, his son-in-law, his other son-in-law in the company, all part of the family-run company. Originally founded with high fit and finish, high performance, and high styling. And with the fit and finish, we really appreciate the opportunity to have partnered with Arid to help enhance that feature of the Scout boats, the fit and finish.
Not easy producing a boat, and with the Arid Bilge system, we go ahead and keep that boating experience fresh and clean, just like it came out from the box. That's what the Arid Bilge system does. It gets rid of your odor, it gets rid of your mold, it gets rid of your corrosion, the rust potentially as well. All that stuff gets sucked out at the source as opposed to just sitting down there. We suck it out. A bilge pump doesn't have to run anymore, only for the emergency. That's what the Arid Bilge system does, and that's what the Arid Bilge system experience is. We just vacuum it up, then throw it overboard.
Right now, our largest boat in the fleet, soon to be 67 in the fleet. Both of those are wet bilges because they have sea cocks and sea strainers in them. And in both of those sections, we utilize the two-ported air dry system.
So the Arid Bilge system, it sits in the lazarette of that boat right over there, and it goes and vacuums the fluid from that zone in the cabin zone, is that correct?
Yeah, both zones get vacuumed together into the collection box and then discharged overboard once the collection box is full.
So the Arid Bilge system sits on the aft of your boat. You got some expensive equipment down there. You got your generator, you got your gyro, and just everything in the local environment.
Ice machines.
So you like to go and see the boat having a nice dry, clean experience because as opposed to that water sitting down there, it's just causing
Oh, it's fantastic. And particularly on our quality of boats, we get a lot of boats as tenders to yachts. The crew are responsible for cleaning the top deck, but are actually responsible for also washing and cleaning the bilge areas. So when they do wash and clean the bilge areas, the bilge pump itself leaves a little bit of water at the bottom that it can't suck out, but the Arid Dry is utilized perfectly in that situation to completely dry it out.
Yeah, thank you so much for your testimonial, and appreciate having business with you.
Yeah, thanks, Alfred.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.